Groundwater contamination in hard-to-reach places doesn't have to derail your budget or your project's long-term success. Cascade Environmental's approach to passive permeable reactive barriers, or PRBs, are the ideal solution for remediating groundwater without causing chaos on the surface. Our patented GeoSierra Trenchless PRB technology eliminates the need for a trench. That means we can work at any depth or length, and in environments where other PRBs would be impossible, like near underground utilities and in dense urban environments. Here's how it works. The trenchless PRB is a wall of permeable reactive media, like iron filings, which treats the groundwater as it passes through. We get those reactive media into the ground through our patented feeder pipes. The media are suspended in a food-grade starch, guar, which we inject into the feeder tubes using pressure. The tube casing dilates, allowing the guar and media to spread laterally. Then, we harness the power of pore pressure relief to make sure the PRB gets where it needs to go with no gaps or voids. The guar is water-soluble, so within a few hours it dissolves, leaving just a wall of permeable reactive media. The conductive properties of the guar gel helps us monitor progress and confirm the PRB is continuous and meets the design. That's it, you're good for the next 20 to 30 years. We've been perfecting GeoSierra Trenchless PRB since 1992, and we can put it to work for you.